We presented today a talk about the interference of some variables that they interfere with formal reasoning, with formal or logical reasoning. And we think that some variables are so salient that people cannot avoid attending to them. And this causes many errors in science. What we did is that we tried to see what happens in the brain when you solve this problem, or when you solve a problem when there is no interference of the area. And we see that different brain areas are active when you have a problem which has no interference, and different brain regions are active when there is interference. That's the main point.
I'll just say that when you're overcoming the interference, when you're answering this task correctly, we showed by fMRI that the prefrontal regions are activated, and this suggests that what students or participants do when they respond correctly is overcoming the interference. This is the line of...
They inhibit the interference, actually. There is some mechanism which inhibits the interference. This is the main point of our talk, I think.
We'll give you an example, okay? This is an example about comparison of perimeters. We ask students to compare the perimeters of this shape to this one, which is actually the same shape, just we removed one square from one of the sides. And what students actually say in most age groups, that the perimeter of this shape is larger than that of this shape, although the perimeters are equal. And this is interference due to the area of the shape. The area here is much bigger than this one, but the perimeters are equal. And students attend to the irrelevant salient variable, which is, you can actually see it very clearly, that this one is bigger than this one, and tend to respond according to this salient variable that the perimeter is bigger here than here, although it's incorrect. And we even found adults answering this task incorrectly. So this is a kind of an example of our task.
First of all, we try to look at the interference of other variables in different tasks. For example, in comparison of ratios, or in other tasks, comparison of angles, and also for scientific concepts like living and non-living, and solid and liquid. So this is one line of research.
Mm-hmm. And the next step, and we're actually doing it now, is to go back to school and try to use this information that we gained by fMRI, TDCS, and other brain technologies, and to do interventions in school to help students overcome this interference.